There are many new developments that you as property owners should be aware of. First of all, the Supreme Court struck down the eviction moratorium again. This will be effective immediately, except for states such as Illinois, which has extended their moratorium to September 13th, causing further pain and suffering on property owners. The Fed is having their annual Jackson Hole meeting as well. They will discuss the scaling back of the $120 billion in monthly asset purchases and consider raising interest rates. This will be extremely important because these monthly asset purchases have flooded the market with liquidity, causing asset prices to skyrocket, including investment real estate, houses, and commodities in general. Inflation has more than doubled as a result. If the Fed raises interest rates too quickly, it causes a recession. Too slowly, and it causes inflation to skyrocket even further. If the Fed was smart, they'd start the taper of reducing the monthly asset purchases. I suspect they won't, stating the concern of the Delta variant that prevents them from doing so. We'll see what they decide to do. Lastly, Congress has passed a $3.5 trillion spending bill and will send that to the Senate. If the $1+ trillion infrastructure bill and this $3.5 trillion bill passes, expect that it will be funded in part by the elimination of 1031 exchanges over $500,000, the doubling of the capital gains taxes, and a stepped-up basis. The commercial real estate and farming industry will be impacted substantially. It's not too late to contact your congressmen and senators and let them know you want them to oppose these taxes. And do some research into the brokerage firms you employ. If they back the politicians that are imposing these taxes, seriously consider your use of them. These taxes will negatively impact the commercial real estate and farming industry. Why would you want to employ companies that aren't working in your best interest?